Hello friends, I have a very sweet treat for you today. We are at 4922 Virginia Avenue in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and I am so excited to show you this property because I have a lot of familiarity with this neighborhood and I think it is spectacular. And I love these little houses and I think that they are perfect for anyone who is downsizing or a first-time home buyer. They're the cutest little brick Cape Cods and I cannot wait to show you. Come with me. This house is listed for $235,000, is in the Central Dauphin School District. It has 3 bedrooms and 1 bath and a wood-burning fireplace. I'm standing outside bedroom 1, but I want you to stay tuned until the end of the video so I can show you my very favorite part. But bedroom 1, look what we have. We have a window seat and it lifts up for storage. We have an eat-in kitchen with plenty of counter space and this fun little nook. Beginning of the video, I said that I have some serious familiarity with this neighborhood, and the reason for that is because my dad lived at 4902 Virginia Avenue for years and years and years and years, and I lived just around the corner, and all of these houses are the same. So I was delighted to see down here in the basement, delighted to see these bad boys. These are the original metal cabinets that were in all of the kitchens. The drawers are metal, they're all metal. So they have them over here, they have some over here on the wall. And I also wanted to point out on-demand water heater, so you'll never run out of hot water. And this house is heated by natural gas, no longer oil. Another great thing about these houses, especially this one, is it has a carport that you can hang out in. You know, when it's hot and you want to sit in the shade, you can have birthday parties, use your grill, put a ceiling fan up out there. And then you also have the fenced-in yard. As you can see, the neighbor is out with her dog, probably keeping an eye on what we're doing. Can't see the dog right now, but I swear there's a dog in a sweater over there. There's the dog in the sweater. You gotta love a dog in a sweater. It's sweater weather, even for the dogs. So we're in the closet of the second bedroom, and there is a secret passageway that you can go out, and look where you end up.